Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Sumitomo Chemicals. Is it a multi-bagger from here or an avoid after the move? So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Sumitomo Chemicals, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and if you do that, it will help me grow the channel on YouTube. It will help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you will have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And if you can pay $100 upfront, then you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. Also, I have started with the YouTube membership this month. So you can also join YouTube and you get all the benefits of Patreon on YouTube with that monthly membership that you can get with a UPI payment or a Google Pay payment. Now about the company, Sumitomo Chemicals was established in 1925 and produces agri-chemicals like fungicides and pesticides, have multiple production units across the globe and in India, and has got multiple awards on many fronts. It also manufactures specialty chemicals. The market cap of the company is around 21,000 crores, and the company and the stock has been consolidating for a while. If you look at the financials, then these are the Q1 numbers, the June quarter number, the September quarter numbers are awaited. Sales went up by around 21%, profit went up by 34%, which is quite good. It's a debt-free company. There's high promoter and institutional holding with only 10% free float, which is a huge positive when you consider that. The ROE is around 22%, operating profit margin is on 14%, which is decent, not extraordinary, but very decent. If you look at the performance, then it have been a market leader in this space, in the agrochemical space, and when you combine agrochemicals and the, you can say, specialty chemicals segment, it is one of the unique companies there. The China emission bans was a big positive for the company, and we've seen how the stock has surged over the last 3 years or so. 5 year profit growth has been 40% CAGR, which has been absolutely tremendous. But now the stock is also trading at elevated, you can say, PE levels. Have been gaining market share over the last 2-3 years. So every 2-3 quarters, it has gained 2-3% market share, which is quite commendable, and has a high dividend payout ratio as well. Very healthy sales growth over the last 3 years it has done, and might remain in an upswing even now. So what has happened is it has consolidated for a month and a half, but now it's looking like it will break out and move to newer levels going forward. What needs to be done? In my opinion, it can be bought on declines or at current market price. I think even buying at 410, 415 won't be bad. I think around these levels it can be bought, can give 20 to 30% upside in 6 months. So it's a very good short-term trade as well. But you need to be vigilant with respect to the with analyzing the numbers. If the numbers dip a lot over next couple of quarters, then it's not a long-term bet, but on a short-term basis it can give 20-30% from here. It is one of the better chemical companies and agrochemical companies that you can buy, and have a 5% stake in the portfolio. Between 5 to 7% is fine. So this was my video on Sumitomo Chemicals. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get my videos straight away when I post it, and kindly support me on Patreon. And if you can't join Patreon membership, then you can join YouTube as a member and a premium member. You'll get all the updates. Thank you.